What's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, the Type R is sold. I'm about to leave here in about 5-10 minutes, go up to the bank and sign all the paperwork, and yeah, it's been fun. I didn't get to do everything that I wanted to do to the car, but yeah, she sold. One last cold start for everybody, and I'm not really sad about selling this car. It's time to sell this car. Got a great offer on the car that I couldn't pass up or refuse. So and he wanted it to be left just like it is. So it still has, you know, the downpipe, the front pipe, full exhaust, and nothing's been changed on it. Everything that I've ever done to this car is still going to be sold. Like I said, the car is going to be sold as is. So let's go ahead and fire the car up for the last time. Get a nice little cold start going, and then off to the bank we go to sign some paperwork and hand the keys over to the new owner. All right, one last little walk around of the car. He said don't wash it or nothing, so I'm literally selling it as is. I haven't washed the car in like a week, so it's a sad but very exciting day for the next car that is coming to the channel. I am gonna miss this car, that is for sure, but it's gonna go to a great next person, and whatever they do with it is whatever they do with it. But we got about 30 minutes before we got to be to the bank, so let's head on off to the bank. We get headed to the bank to get all the paperwork done and get the car over to the new person. I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to all the sponsors that helped me on this build. The list goes on and on. So if you guys are watching or any of your partners are watching, thank you all so much for supporting the Type R build, and all my followers that, you know, watch the Type R content, or I helped in some way do an install video or do an install on their car. I get lots of messages like, thank you for going, you know, in detail on how to install a certain part, or you inspired me to get back out in the garage with my son and work on cars and stuff like that. Those are the comments that I love to read, and yeah, they just fill me with joy. And it's been a good ride with this car, but I must say, some of you already know, some of you don't know, I have two vehicles coming from Japan. They should be getting into the port of Jacksonville on the 19th of this month. So in about 2 weeks, I should have two cars imported from Japan, and they are going to get dropped off here in the driveway. So that is very exciting. I'm excited to get those two vehicles from Japan. Comment down below if you think you know what two vehicles I got coming from Japan, and let's head on to the bank and take the Type R for its last ride. 8,069 miles on the clock. Let's go. Boy, I'm gonna miss this car for sure. All right, let's head to the bank. All right, here we go. Badge number 35916. It's time to be sold. All right, we just got to the bank. I'm gonna keep the new buyers off camera. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside, sign some paperwork, get the car sold, and then yep, we shall go from there. All right, so we just got done with the bank. The buyer was gracious enough to let me drive the car back home. Gonna drop me off, and then the car is gonna go back to, it's gonna live in Texas from now on, and wherever it goes from there. Like I said, the badge number is 35916. So whoever gets this car next, hopefully they take good care of it and they drive responsible with it. Like I said, everything's been cleared. The car is officially sold. It's out of my name, and I think we spent about an hour and a half at the bank, so not too terribly long, but I'm gonna enjoy this last ride back to the house. So I'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. All right, this is the last time the Type R will be leaving the driveway. Kind of a bittersweet moment, but it had to be done. Off to Texas you go. Peace. She gone. Bye-bye. So long. All right, so as you saw, the Type R is officially sold and gone. It is crazy to, I pulled in the driveway today in my truck. It was crazy coming home and there was no Type R in the garage, but so it's gone. It's going to Dallas. You know, everyone's hit me up asking me if, you know, am I sad or anything. No, I'm happy to let it go. Gonna miss the car for sure, but now it's on to 2 other projects that I have coming. Like I said, I have 2 vehicles coming from Japan on the 19th. So they should be here hopefully that week. Depends on how long they get held up in customs for. Could be anywhere from 2 to 3 days. And then as soon as they get released that same day, the driver should be able to make it to the house and drop the vehicles off. So I'm gonna keep that under wraps. Not gonna say too much about that, but thanks for all the support over all the years for the Type R content. I know a lot of my followers were here for the Type R and etc. and doing the installs. And once again, thanks to all the people that had a hand in helping me make the car what it was. It's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm excited to show you what's coming from Japan. Peace.